In today's data-driven world, organizations are constantly seeking ways to collect, analyze, and utilize data to gain insights and improve decision-making. Microsoft Fabric is a comprehensive data analytics solution that empowers businesses to streamline their data pipelines, build data lakes, and develop advanced analytics models. What is Microsoft Fabric? Microsoft Fabric is an end-to-end analytics platform that provides a unified experience for data ingestion, storage, processing, and analysis. It brings together the power of Azure Synapse Analytics, Azure Data Factory, Azure Data Explorer, and Power BI into a single integrated environment. Let us talk about some of the key features of Microsoft Fabric. First of all, the data pipeline. Microsoft Fabric simplifies data movement with its drag and drop data pipeline builder. You can easily connect to various data sources, transform and cleanse data, and load it into the lake or the warehouse. Microsoft Fabric provides a secure and scalable data lake storage solution, enabling you to store and analyze large volume of structured, semi-structured, or unstructured data, your big data. Microsoft Fabric streamlines data engineering tasks within its visual data wrangling tool and code-based options. You can easily prepare data for analysis and build data models without extensive coding experience. Microsoft Fabric seamlessly integrates with existing data platforms and tools, allowing you to leverage your existing investments and avoid data silos. Microsoft Fabric empowers data scientists with advanced analytics capabilities, including machine learning, predictive modeling, and anomaly detection. Microsoft Power BI enables a real-time data streaming and analysis, providing you with up-to-date insights for immediate decision-making. And if you want to learn all about visualization, join this channel as a corporate trainee to get full access to the course. Or you can also look for the course which I have provided in the description below. Hope you like this video. See you in next video. Take care and goodbye.